In this video, I'm going to show you how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to click on an image you want to enhance the quality of, and then you have two options. Over here on the left under Edit, if you can't see this, just click on Edit up top. You can see the Auto Enhance feature. Now whenever you click on this, it's going to start enhancing your image, and within just a few seconds, your image is going to be enhanced just like this. Now you can now click on here, just click turn it off or on, and it's going to basically show you the difference. As you can see here, the image is a bit more contrasty and bright when I turn on Auto Enhance. That's the first way to do it. But if you want to do it manually, go to Adjust over here, and you can go and change these things like contrast, brightness. You can add highlights, shadows, stuff like that. Of course, you can go up or down or type in manual amounts, and you have things like colors where you have saturation, the warmth, and then the details like sharpen and blur and stuff like that. Okay, so that's how to enhance your image quality. Super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.